Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an SMS Activate account with funds and Telegram open. Next, select Telegram as the service on SMS Activate because it filters compatible numbers. You then request a new virtual number and copy it into Telegram's phone field. Once done, press Send Code in Telegram and return to SMS Activate immediately. The platform holds the request and waits for an incoming SMS. Make sure you monitor the SMS Activate socket or page for the incoming code without refreshing excessively. You now focus on the core exchange, waiting for the verification SMS. SMS Activate shows messages in its panel. Refresh only if the service instructs you to. If no SMS arrives, use Telegram's resend code after 1 minute. SMS Activate usually receives it on the next try. Once the message appears, copy the numeric code precisely and paste it into Telegram. If the code fails, request a new number on SMS Activate and repeat. This avoids account lockouts and keeps the process smooth. You finish by confirming Telegram accepted the code and completing profile steps. Add name, verify settings, and enable two-step verification for security. If the code never arrives, cancel the SMS Activate request, refund if automatic, and select a different virtual number or country. Regional blocks sometimes occur. Also check your SMS Activate balance and ensure your IP or VPN isn't causing rejections. One key troubleshooting tip: rotate numbers and countries before retrying to avoid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.